except when I gotta go meet with the council. Ooh. Mabel, do you not know about the... No! There it is! Oh, you hear that?
No?
Try getting a little closer.
Yeah, still nothing.
I know! It's bad, right?
No!
Can't really hear you. Anyway, you can see why everyone laughed.
Because of a noise that only animals can hear.
Tell
Tell me where it's loudest! What? Oh, no, no, no,
Mabel,
no!
wait! You'll hurt your little ears!
The tree is loud!
Oh, I don't think beavers can climb!
This one can!
Holy smoke! Mabel, be careful! That's too high for a beaver! Hey, the noise is gone.